Hello student, let us continue with finding out the equivalent capacitance. Now these two examples where the plates are short circuited. Now the first example, the four plates are taken and these four plates, the first plate and the third plate are connected at one point. Second plate and fourth plate is connected at another point B. So we have to find out what is equivalent capacitance between A and B. Now how to find out the solution for this? Now let us take plus Q charge is supplied by if A is connected to positive terminal of a battery, then plus Q charge is supplied. Now this plus Q is divided in two parts, plate 1 and plate 3. Now we will observe B will supply minus Q. So on second plate minus negative charge will come on the two sides of the second plate. Now you will observe in the fourth plate also some negative charge will come because it is connected to B. So we will observe here that these four plates are making three capacitor. If you take terminal 1 and 2, this makes a capacitor, electric field is created, and between 3 and 2 also electric field is created, and then in between 3 and 4 electric field is created. So all these three capacitors are connected in parallel. So we'll observe 1 and 3 has same potential, right, and 2 and 4 has same potential. So all these three capacitors in parallel. So I can find out the equivalent capacitance is sum of the three capacitors. So C1 plus C2 plus 3C is nothing but 3C. Now if A is area of plate and D is separation, then I can also write down the equivalent capacitance as 3 epsilon naught A by D. Right. Now if you take 4 plates and 5 plates and 6 plates, and if you connect the if you take alternate plates of the capacitor, suppose I take n plates. On this basis, if n plates are taken, suppose n plates are taken, n plates, and alternate plates are connected together. Plates are connected together, right? And then I have to find out what is C. Then this will be nothing but n minus 1 times the capacitance of the single one. Here you will take 4 capacitors, so we are getting n minus 1 is 3. If I take 5 plates, alternate plates are connected, then C will be 5 minus 1, 4C. So n plates, alternate plates are connected together, then I can say the equivalent capacitance will be n minus 1 times C. Now in second example, what is done? 4 plates at second, first plate and third plate are connected to are short circuited, means they are at same potential, and plate number 2 is connected to positive terminal of the cell, so it will supply positive charge to plate 2, and the fourth plate is connected to negative terminal. We have to find out what is equivalent capacitance between X and Y. How to do this? Now let us take plus Q charge is supplied by the positive terminal of the cell. It will divide it in two parts, Q by 2. Q by 2 I can say on second plate, both side Q by 2. Now first plate, and since it will induce minus Q by 2, minus Q by 2, total charge on 1 and 3 will be minus Q. Since it is neutral, so I can say plus Q will come on this side, and since minus this is Y is connected to negative terminal of the cell, so minus Q will come on fourth side. So if you redraw this circuit, plate number 2 and 1, you will observe 2 and 1, and 1 and 3 are at same potential. So 2 and 3, this makes two capacitors. They are connected in parallel because charge is distributed in two parts, Q by 2 and Q by 2. And the third capacitor is having same charge, Q and Q. So this is in series with these two parallel capacitors. So the parallel combination will give you 2C effective capacitors, and since it is in series with this C, so I can find out the equivalent capacitance is C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So I can say 2 by 3 epsilon naught D if C is epsilon naught A by D. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.